I'm Nika and I'm a clay artist. After making some failed charms, we attended a birthday party. Look who's so happy. I used less clay this time to achieve my preferred size. I'm just using my hands to condition the white clay because my pasta machine leaves a black line on it even after I clean it thoroughly. Conditioning is one of the downsides of using polymer clay since it takes much longer compared to air dry clay. I always start with a ball and shape it into an egg. Then I use my needle tool to sculpt the feet. This method makes the body easier to create and more durable. In my last video, I used a long eye pin for the keychain, but it hit the wire inside that connects the body and head. This ended up ruining my first piece because the wire broke through. That's why I'm now connecting them by scoring the clay and sticking them well together. Alternatively, I can use an ice screw pin so I can still connect the body and head with wire, which is what I'll do for some of my other charms. Even with all my experience and years of working with clay, I still find myself wondering, can I really do this? Will anyone want to buy my work? Is what I made good enough? Are my prices just right? Am I undervaluing my work or pricing it too high? I feel super anxious even when I sleep. I keep thinking about what designs would look good. What should I do tomorrow to contribute to my family, feed my cats, buy supplies, and have my own money? But then I reminded myself, doing my best is enough. We can't control everything. While money is a goal, I won't let it take away the joy of creating. The passion I put in today will shape the success I build tomorrow. So I just keep going, keep creating, and keep posting. The more I put myself out there, the more chances people will find and support me. I remind myself how lucky I am to create something from scratch and earn from it. Especially when what started as just a hobby a decade ago has now become my full-time passion. We always walk here to stretch our legs, refresh our minds, and nourish our souls. I go through such a long process just to make them sturdy when I'll be glazing them with UV resin anyway. I think I'll skip this step next time. I'm now using ice screw pin for charms again, but I don't bury them in clay because the UV resin will secure them properly. I still use my half sphere mold to measure the smaller parts. Glazing is my least favorite part, but it makes the charms more durable and easier to clean. Motherhood is a heartwarming experience. It made me realize all the sacrifices my mother made when we were younger. Taking care of another human being, especially a baby or a toddler, is no joke. Time passes so quickly. We always notice how taller our daughter is getting. In the blink of an eye, she won't be as clingy anymore. She won't always come to us to talk or play because she'll have friends and classmates. Oh my, I can't even imagine it. Here are all the charms I made. I also made a lot of strawberries, 112 to be exact. That's all, friends. Thank you so much for watching. All of these are available on my Etsy shop, but if you'd like to support me even more, feel free to DM me on Instagram. Please subscribe, like, and comment so that YouTube will suggest my video to others. Thank you so much.